really didn't take as long as I thought it was going to, which is nice. Another wardrobe clear out, the last of the dresses, this time the knit section. This one, and in fact all of these, are going to be very, very easy keeps because I absolutely love this pattern 7319 now that I have made the skirt look like the envelope. I've got this one, my tiger face print I made last year, my roses that I made early this year, and then the very first time I tried out the slash and spread method on the skirt with this leopard and orchid print, which I absolutely love. Even though the underbodice of this one is a viscose jersey rather than a cotton jersey, it does stretch out a little more than I would personally like, but it's so comfortable and really pretty, so I'm keeping all 4 of these. Next up we have my Victory Patterns Jackie dresses, of which I have 4, and again I'm keeping all of them. This one is definitely autumn winter colours, as is technically this navy one. This blue is definitely on my colour wheel and looks amazing. And then this one, it was one of the first ones that I made, and yes, it's got a black background, but both the blue and the green on this are really good colours for me, and I do wear this with my bright cardigans. So all 4 of these are staying, and I'm actually thinking about getting some scuba crepes and making some plain versions, especially a bright red one and possibly even a yellow one, because I think it would work really well with my wardrobe, and they are definitely in my colour wheel. So all 4 of these are staying. You're getting a visitor. This is the Vogue 9199, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these ones. Some are going to go because they're the wrong colours for me, but this is definitely one that can stay. I don't reach for this one very often because I do tend to prefer the fuller skirted 8972 and the 2 dresses that you've seen previously, but I do really like this one, and it is a very comfortable dress to wear, as is this one. Again, another kind of blue colourway. This time this is a velvet. I do find this slightly harder to wear because the velvet does stick to all of the cardigans that I have, so I do tend to wear this one for kind of like comfy evenings out, or if I'm entertaining at home and cooking, because it's pretty and comfy and quite warm making if you're in those kind of environments. But for like a dress to wear out and about without a cardigan over the top, probably not. But I do really like it. The colours are good for me. Even though they are kind of silvery, I still think the blues are good, so I'm going to keep this one. I am also going to keep this one. I absolutely love this scuba, the bright red flowers, the blue colour, again all good colours for me, and it does make me very happy. I made this dress with this fabric because it was a directional print. My other dress that I love making, 8972, I think I have that number right, is fabric hungry if it's a directional print and you can't get it out of the 3 meters that I usually buy, so that's why I went for the 9199 with this one. So this one is staying. However, I do have 2 more. One is the grey marble, which is gorgeous but grey. Now I know Mum likes this because she has made another dress in it, but she made that for herself when she was a little bit bigger, so I'm going to offer this one to Mum. I would offer this one to Mum, but I know she probably won't go for it. It is again a grey velvet with kind of peachy flowers on it. It's a thicker velvet than the other one. The flowers are actually good colours for me. I think I'm going to keep this one. I actually thought I was going to get rid of this one, but I'm actually going to keep it because these peachy pink flowers are good on my colour wheel. We'll see if I wear it. If I don't wear it this winter season, then this one can go. Out of my 5 9199s, I am keeping 4 and giving Mum the option of 1, but if she doesn't want it, then I will put it up for sale. That's not helpful, Chi. She's like, no, I protect your modesty. Oh. Yes. Yes. Okay, this is the first of my 8972s and the one that I made the sew along. Excuse you? Oh. Don't sit there! Chi! She's escaped behind you to sit in the knitwear. So yeah, this is the one that I made in the sew along. The only downside of this one is the shorter sleeves, and since I have made this one, I've actually stolen the sleeves from the 9199 and shoved it onto this dress because these sleeves are nice, but these are my winter dresses and I do want them to be warmer. So I always wear this one with a cardigan. This one's gonna stay. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. I do wear it. You are not helping. yes, this one is she's coming back. This one is staying. I do love it. I do wear it. I, like I say, work around the shorter sleeves. I do not recommend these to go dancing in. I tried that for a couple of times and no. Personal sauna suit, so great for winter, great for when you're cold. Definitely not good for high levels of activity, at least for me and the way that I like to wear clothes. So I have quite a few of these that are going to go, and I love all of the ones that I've got left, and I have a few, more than a few, but some of these are really not good colours for me, and I'm going to give Mum first refusal on most of these. If she doesn't want them, they're going to go up for sale. First off, we have the lemon one. Now, I think this is absolutely glorious, but it is on a black background. Now I have kept a black Jackie dress because I wear it with my bright cardigans, and again I can wear this with my bright cardigan, but I don't reach for this one very often, so this one is going to go. They do this fabric on a light blue base, and I'm not ruling out getting some of that in the future to recreate this dress in a colorway that's better for me, but this one is going. Now this one, foliage canopy, I have this print on every single base that it comes on, and it is on a black background. I think that the greens are bright enough, and again I wear this with some of my bright cardigans, and it's a low scoop neck, so whilst technically I could keep the lemon one as well for the same reasons, I don't love the print on that one as much as I love the print on this one, so this one is staying. That one was from Lady McCalls. I think the rest of the fabrics have come from Fabric Styles. This is another one that is very bright, but I do think it's cooler toned in colours. I like it, but I never reach for it, so this one's going to go as well. As is this one. This fabric is absolutely beautiful. I bought 7 meters of it so Mum could have some and I could have some, and we could both make basically the same dress, which is what we've done. As I say, Mum made hers when she was a little bit bigger and she's lost quite a lot of weight now, so I'm going to give her the option of having this one to wear if she would like, otherwise this one's going to go up for sale. But it's the same thing, it's on a black background, and yes, I could wear my bright cardigans with it, but I don't find myself reaching for it, so this one's going. Oh, this one I'm so sad about. Oh, she's coming back. There you go. This one I'm really sad about. This fabric is absolutely beautiful. The print is gorgeous, and the incredibly kind Nimue actually bought me a gift voucher to buy this fabric as a Christmas present last year or the year before. I love it. I've never really reached for it though. It's got gold on it, so technically again it could be one that's good for me, but I do prefer brighter colours, so I'm actually going to give this one to Nimue. She's coming to the retreat next May, and I've already asked her about this, and I'm going to put this in a little cubby hole. I have lots of stuff for Nimue, so Nimue is getting this one. I'm so sad about this though, because it's such beautiful fabric, but I really just don't reach for it, so this one needs to go. I think the rest are going to stay though. This one is so loud and leery and bright, and I feel amazing when I put this one on. I wear it with my yellow cardigan, my lime green cardigan, my emerald cardigan, my hot pink cardigan. I love this dress. I think it's absolutely glorious. This one's staying. As is this one for pretty much the same reasons. Again, super bright, super colourful. I feel good in it. I really enjoy wearing this one, so this one's staying. This one, I had this one on the other day and I did enjoy wearing it. It's a navy background with pink flowers on it, with kind of a few of my kind of like pinks in it, and then the sagey green goes really well with the sage green cardigan that Mum's knit for me, but unfortunately is a little big, so I think my sister-in-law is going to get that cardigan, and I'm going to hopefully try and talk Mum into making me another one a smaller size. It was a very easy knit apparently. This one has got a lot of pilling along the front, and a few of them have, because that's where the wood of the cutting table would rub against me when I was working in these dresses, so I need to see if I can debobble this, because it is quite noticeable on this one because it's a dark background. But I do really like this. This print comes in a bunch of different colorways, and I will list to everything that I possibly can in the description down below. This is exactly the same as that grey marble print, but obviously in colour, and again it's one of those ones that makes me feel really good when I put it on. I actually don't think, apart from the purple, I don't think any of these are my colours, but I don't care because I love wearing this one, and I can put my coral cardigan on with it, or my purple cardigan, which are my colours, and again because it's a scoop neck I think I get away with it, so this one's staying. And then the last one is this, which has got leaves all over it and is from Minerva Crafts. I have no idea if they still have any of this in stock. As I say, I will link to as much of the things that I can down below. This one again is leafy on a light background with bright colours, and I really enjoy wearing this one, and it goes with a number of my cardigans, so this one is staying as well. So that was actually not as long as I thought it was going to be, and maybe not quite so brutal, but I'm pleased with that. I've kept 4 7319s because I love them. I have made more of that pattern and I've already got rid of the ones that didn't work for me. Kept 4 Jackie dresses, and I'm definitely going to be making more. I've kept 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 of the 8972. I think I have that number right. And I've gotten rid of 1, 2, 3 of those, 4 of those. And then I've kept 9. I've kept 4 of the 9199s and gotten rid of 1 of those. So I don't think that's too bad. I thought I would be getting rid of a few more of these, but when I look at these prints, I absolutely love them and really want to keep them, and I enjoy wearing them. So I think it's reasonable. I'm hoping I'll be able to get these into one drawer, because these ones live in the drawer behind me because they don't crease. And if I can get them into one drawer, then I'll have a whole drawer free for a bunch of tights and socks and stuff that my friend sent me. I'm pleased with that. So let me know in the comment section down below if you think I have made any mistakes and I should keep some that I'm getting rid of, or if I should get rid of some of the ones that I have kept. I would like to know what you guys think. If you've enjoyed this video, you might want to check out this clear out here